Hello, this is video number who the hey knows. I think it's in the early 20s somewhere, but who the hey knows. This is just a quick demo. I hope it's quick. You do too, I know. Of how to run example 8. The reason that gets its own demo is because this is the first example where I can't talk and type at the same time. First example, EXAMPLE 8. First example that has more than one source code file for just the one program, and there she blows. So the first thing to do is get the 3 attachments. All 3 of these are part of the same program. So when you're down here in the attachments, you've got to download each one, and you've got to put them all, be careful to put them all in the same folder. I just now right-clicked. I'll click away and then right-click again to show you. Right-click, save link as, and that lets you put it precisely where you want to put it. I want to put this in my handy-dandy 2124 directory, and I strongly recommend that not just this example, but any multi-file projects you do, make their own folder just for them. This will be EX808 for example 8. So there, I made a brand new folder just for example 8. I'm going to save tv.h, whatever the hey that is, example 8 itself.cpp, and it'll go back to the same folder if I just keep right-clicking and saving, and tv.cpp, save link as, save. And you're wondering, what is going on here? tv.h, tv.cpp, example 8. Well, this video is not about that. This video is just how to run the darn thing. I go through all of example 8. Let me get over here. Here it is. I go through all of example 8 and what all these files are and what the content is in excruciating detail in the videos. So this is just how to run the darn thing. I'm on a PC, so I got to use code blocks. Open Sesame. Immediately, I'm going to create a new project. And since I don't need the startup, the console application with the int main void and all that stuff, I'm just going to make an empty project. And go and EXAMPLE 08. And I'm going to browse to the brand new folder I just, well, I think I am. There it is. EX08 is the brand new folder I just now made. It looks like it's empty, but that's because it's only looking for other project files. And all that's in there right now are my source code and my header file. Select folder, put it in there, next, whatever you are, yeah, finish. And voila. So we've got a project, but it doesn't have any files in it. So I'm going to right click on my project name over here, add files, and here we are, example 08. Here's the project folder that I just now made to put the project in, and here are the 3 files that I just now downloaded off the email. You might even have to, play this a couple of times. I know this is going through a lot of stuff in a big hurry, but click, and I open, okay, and you don't see anything yet, but there's a little plus sign over here. If I click on the plus sign, it shows me not only do I now have 2 source code files, I also have a header file, and if I double click on each of these, kaboom, there is example 8 itself in all its multicolored glory. Kaboom, here is tvcpp, and kaboom again, one more time, here's tv.h. Now, as I was double clicking on those, it did not close the others. I can easily switch back among these, which when I'm doing my debugging is going to be so handy. But all I want to do at this point is just show how to run it. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you do the standard up here. It's not ready to run because you got to build it first. Let me build it all by itself without running it first, just to see if I got any error messages left in there. And in fact, I do not. No error messages, so I could have built and run. Come on. You can do it. And all of this business here, all of this is the output that's generated that I talk about in the videos. For example, if I go to example8.cpp and look at the output here, look, the first thing it prints out, it says initial state of TVs. Go to the next line and print out the Sony Plasma and everything. That's here. Where did these come from? Howdy from the TV constructor. And then again, mysteriously, howdy from the TV constructor. Oh, if only I knew why that happened. I guess I better go back and watch those videos. At any rate, that ran the whole program, and that's all I need. I'm going to press enter and stop it. Don't just click away when you run it. Don't just click away because it's still running down here in this window. See the tiny little window with all the words in it? You do need to do what it says and press enter, which is any key to continue, and get out of there. Now, that's it. That's all you got to do to run example 8. Yeah, I better save it. If I don't, it'll be empty. And that's all. Quick video, stop. I'll see you online.